Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. Your child can read. 16. Hello, we are going to read some words. Read with us. Hello, fall. Hello, autumn. Leaves. One leaf, many leaves.
I see you in the changing colors of all the little leaves.
Can you look in the mirror so I can see you in there? I see you. Do it again. I can't see you. I can see your mouth. Max, I can see you in the changing colors of all the little leaves.
Down, yellow and brown, fall the leaves all over the ground. Rake them up in a pile so high, they almost reach up to the sky. Yellow. How many yellow leaves do you see?
I see 6 yellow leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Falling down. In autumn, the trees are red, yellow, and brown, and the leaves are falling down. Little brown teddy bear. Little brown teddy bear went walking in the woods, picking up some pine cones, as many as he could. Suddenly a pine cone hit him on the head. Teddy bear got angry. He stamped his foot and said, "When a nasty pine cone hits you on the head, rather go back home and spend the day in bed." Little brown teddy bear went walking in the woods, picking up some pine cones, as many as he could. Suddenly a pine cone hit him on the head. Teddy bear got angry. He stamped his foot and said, "When a nasty pine cone hits you on the head, rather go back home and spend the day in bed." What a funny song! It's a famous Russian nursery rhyme. A nursery rhyme is a short poem or song for young children. Never give up, little brown teddy bear. Never give up. Rake. What do you see? I see an old man raking leaves. Oh no, he's smoking. Don't smoke. It's bad for your health. Cut it out. Stop it. Cut it out. Stop it. When Tim had to rake leaves, Charlie thought it was a new game. "Hey, cut it out, Charlie," Tim laughed. Tim is a boy and Charlie is his dog. Lantern. Max is holding a lantern. He made it himself.
Yeah, myself.
Lantern walk. We are on a lantern walk. Okay, Max, walk around with your lantern. It is so beautiful. Let me see the candle. Can you walk around and sing? Remember the song? I walk with my little lantern. I walk with my little lantern. We are on a lantern walk with Max. I walk with my little lantern, myself and I. Above the stars are shining.
On earth we are stars to the sky. The rooster crows, the cat meows. Hey, 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 la bime la bay. Hey, 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 la bime la bay. Max, turn to me. Do you remember the words? Can you sing? I walk with my little lantern, myself and I. Above the stars are shining, on earth we are stars to the sky. The rooster crows, the cat meows. Hey, 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 la bime la bay. Hey, 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 la bime la bay. Can I see the candle? Show me the candle. There's a candle inside. We're celebrating the change of seasons. Max has a lantern.
Blow out. Blow out.
Okay, let's try to blow it out. Angie will help us. Blow it out, Max. Blow. You need to blow hard. Blow. Yay! We did it. Look, it's dark now without our lantern. It's dark.
Children with lanterns. Children with lanterns. On the way home. On the way home. Where are they going? They are going home. Kicking. Kicking. Max, what is this boy doing?
He's kicking a stone.
And where is he going?
He's going home.
From?
School.
Yes, from school. And he enjoys it. He says the best part about kicking the stone home from school is there are no rules.
Yeah, there are no rules.
Leaf pile. Leaf pile. Max, what is this boy doing?
He's raking the leaves.
Yes, he's raking the leaves into a huge leaf pile. From underneath the leaf pile, he says, my invisible brother is giggling. Invisible brother. Read, read, read. Read, read, read.
Have you read this book?
Have you read this book? Good job! Well done! You are so smart! Practice makes perfect. Let's review.
Let's read the words together.
Let's read the words together. Are you ready? Let's go. Fall, autumn, leaf, leaves, yellow, falling down, little brown teddy bear, rake, cut it out, stop it, lantern, lantern walk. I walk with my little lantern. Blow out. Children with lanterns. On the way home. Kicking. Leaf pile. Read, read, read.
Good job! Well done.
See you soon. Have you read any of my books? Which one is your favorite? Secrets of Happiness. 39 Things I've Learned in 39 Years by Anna Mitkevich, the creator of Little Angel Reader YouTube channel. If you like my stories and the way I read them aloud on my channel, you can support me by buying my books on Amazon. You can also thank me here.
PayPal littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you for all your help and for reading with us today. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.